Hi friends, welcome to the crash course for English syllabus. This will be for HSC 12th Standard Board of Maharashtra and this is for academic year 2021. We'll learn about the solution to the textual questions and it will be explained in Marathi. In this section of poetry, the syllabus has been reduced by 25%, that is 2.7 and 2.8 has been deleted for this year, and today we'll learn about section 2, that is 2.1 poem Song of the Open Road. Here a brief description is given by the poet Walt Whitman. हा बोल्ड केलेला भाग आहे. हा आपल्याला दाखवतो की meaning of the poem that will be used for appreciation. We'll move to the icebreakers. First is choose the mode of travel that you would like the most for the journey. Since this is a travel poem, the questions are based on the travel part. पहिला आपण घेऊया की आपल्याला प्रवास मार्ग कोणता आवडतो. First I have chosen railways and we have to give the reason for our preference. रेल्वेज ह्या करता कारण रेल्वेज आर चीपर देन रोडवेज अँड एअरवेज. हो, रेल्वेज स्वस्त आहेत. फॉर लॉंग डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल रेल्वेज आर कन्व्हिनियंट. इट मीन्स रेल्वेज हे सोयीस्कर आहे लांब टप्प्याच्या प्रवासाकरता. थर्ड, वी डोंट हॅव टू फेस ट्रॅफिक जॅम्स लाईक रोडवेज. रोडवेज सारखं आपल्याला ट्रॅफिक लागत नाही रेल्वेज मध्ये. सेकंड पॉइंट, डिस्कस विथ युअर पार्टनर द प्रेपरेशन यू वुड लाईक टू मेक फॉर द जर्नी चोजन. रेल्वेच्या प्रवासाकरता आपल्याला काय काय तयारी करावी लागेल. आय वुड गेट लगेज बॅग दॅट कॅन बी केप्ट अंडर द सीट्स इन रेल्वेज. आय वुड कॅरी स्नॅक्स अँड वॉटर ड्युरिंग द जर्नी. आय वुड कॅरी tickets and identity card for verification. I would also carry money, torch and phone. आता या तयारीमध्ये आपण बॅग असंच घेऊ जे सीट खाली राहू शकतील. स्नॅक्स आणि पाण्याची बॉटल, तिकीट्स, आयडेंटिटी कार्ड, व्हेरिफिकेशन साठी काही पैसे, टॉर्च आणि फोन. नेक्स्ट, डिस्कस द वेज इन विच यू वुड लाईक टू ओव्हरकम द प्रॉब्लेम्स, हिंड्रन्सेस, डिफिकल्टीज यू वुड फेस ड्युरिंग युअर जर्नी. आता प्रॉब्लेम्स जर आले तर त्यासाठी तुम्ही कसं ते फेस करणार. तर त्यासाठी I would like to keep charged mobile with me. I would keep handy some books to read. म्हणजे जर मी बोर झाले तर मी काही बुक्स आपल्या जवळ ठेवीन. I would keep my luggage locked. For safety purpose मी माझं लगेज लॉक करून ठेवीन. I would remain alert during the journey. This is again for safety. During every journey, we have to observe certain rules. Discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions. You can begin like this. First one is given to you. I would like to go with my friends. आता आपण without any restrictions जर कुठे जायचं आहे तर we would like to prefer की आपण आपल्या मित्रांसोबत जाऊ. आपण नवीन जागेवर जाऊ शकतो, नवीन जागा शोधून जाऊ शकतो, तिथे तिकडचे लोकल डिशेस खाऊ शकतो, to enjoy local food varieties. Also, I can use mobile to click scenarios, photos of new places. So here we finish the icebreakers. We'll move to the brainstorming session, that is A1. Pick out the lines showing that the poet is prepared to enjoy every moment of his journey. So the lines आपल्याला शोधून काढायचे आहेत from the poem itself. So the first line is given here. Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Healthy, free, the world before me. नंतर चौथी line. Henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. पाचवी line. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. सातवी ओळ. Strong and content I travel the open road. A1 second. By old delicious burdens. The poet means म्हणजे ओल्ड डेलिशियस बर्डनचा अर्थ काय आहे ॲज पर द पोएट. सो द आन्सर इज सी, द स्ट्रेस ही बेअर्स ड्युरिंग द ट्रॅव्हल्स. A1 थर्ड. The poet is a person who is free from all inhibitions. Discuss how the concept of freedom is expressed in the poem. Question is की पोएट सांगतोय की एक व्यक्ती हा रिस्ट्रिक्शन पासून मुक्त आहे. So the answer is, in this poem the freedom means the independence to choose the path. It means freedom from the restrictions imposed by the society to lead a carefree life. If a person is setting itself free, it can live a satisfied life without the routines and slavery. A person should take this kind of free road to make happen his wishes come true. He should be able to carry sweet memories of people associated with along the life. This will satisfy him and make him content. A2, the first one. Following are the activities of the poet related to his journey on the road. Divide them into two parts as activities the poet will practice and activities he will not practice. So the points that will come in activities the poet will practice are carrying the fond memories of the good people, reflecting and developing his own self. आणि उरलेल्या will come in activities he will not practice, that are walking along the road though he does not know where it reaches, complaining about the discomforts during the journey, postponing the journey, praying for good fortune, creating contacts with famous and influential friends, people, striving to achieve high and bright success, reflecting and developing his own self. A2. Second, write down the traits the poet exhibits through the following lines. First one is done. We'll move to the second. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. whimperचा अर्थ आहे रडत राहणे. सो या लाईनीतून आपल्याला कळतं इट इज अ पॉझिटिव्ह अप्रोच and he is determined to go ahead. Third is, that is C, I do not want a constellation any nearer, which means he is satisfied. D, I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. Wisdom and confidence is shown. E, I am filled with them, I will fill them in return. It shows interdependence. A2, third, healthy, free, the world before me. Express your views regarding the above line. Here, the answer is, the journey of life is healthy and free. It gives an idea to be free from routine, repetitive work. A3, the poet has used many describing words such as healthy in this poem. Make a list and classify them as for the world, for himself, for the road. तर आपण काही शब्द इथे लिहूया. For the world, free, healthy. For himself, स्वतःसाठी. Afoot, light-hearted, strong, content. For the road, long, brown and open. Now moving to A4 first. It shows that old delicious burden. It has been discussed like how delicious the burdens are. Burden म्हणजे ओझं. ओझं cannot be delicious. तर याचा अर्थ आहे here the figure of speech paradox is used because it shows two contrasting ideas, that is two opposite ideas by the words old delicious burdens. Now A4 second, the road in the poem does not mean only the road to travel. The poet wants to suggest the road of life. Explain the metaphor with the help of the poem. The answer is, the road here is referred as journey of life. The poet has started his journey seeking the adventure of life. A4 third, free verse. This A4 third is the listening activity. ह्यामध्ये असं सांगितलं आहे की जी ही पोयम आहे इज अ फ्री वर्स. फ्री वर्सचा अर्थ आहे की त्या पोयम मध्ये काही रायमिंग वर्ड्स नाही आहेत किंवा रायमिंग स्कीम यूज केलेली नाही. व्हॉट इज फ्री वर्स? It is without any rhymes, means there are no rhyming words to it. A4 fourth, there are certain words that are repeated in the poem. For example, no more, that is line 7. Find out similar expressions. Explain the effect they have created in the poem. Answer is, repetition is also seen in lines 5th to 8th with words henceforth and good fortune. And repetition of pronoun I is in lines 13 to 20. Figure of speech repetition is used. Repetition creates poetic appeal, emphasizes the thoughts and adds to the creativity. A4 fifth, the use of personal pronoun I is evident and prominent in this poem. Give reasons. Repetition adds emphasis. Here, repeating the pronoun I has created appeal by the poet. The poet shows independence and freedom to live life on his own terms. There is control over his own decisions and situations that life throws at him. A5 first, with the help of the following points, write a poetic appreciation of the poem, Song of the Open Road. This appreciation जे आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे ते आपण डिरेक्टली फर्स्ट पेज मध्ये जे पोएटचं डिस्क्रिप्शन आहे त्या अनुसार पण लिहू शकतो किंवा आय हॅव ऑल्सो मेन्शन द अप्रिसिएशन हिअर. You have given the points on which the appreciation can be written. तर आपण स्टार्ट करूया. Song of the Open Road is a travel poem written by Walt Whitman. This poem is on the urge of freedom from our routine life. One should take this road to spot on the opportunities that a person wants. This poem is written in free verse. The poet has used repetition, metaphor, alliteration, paradox, and inversion. He used metaphor to road, which actually means the way of life. The poet used words like afoot, strong, content, healthy, free to describe the adventures of life. The message that poet shares is that we should not limit ourselves with the boundaries of life. In my opinion, we should live a free life, leaving behind the worries and problems. A5 second. Write 4 to 6 lines on free verse on the topic. The road that leads to my college. Express that it leads to the knowledge and bright future. You may begin like this. Every day I tread with the bag of books, making my way difficult and tiring. With dreams to become someone someday, steps are not easy to carry this burden. With daunting labor it takes of me, finally to create a great, robust person. A5-3. Write a blog on the following topic. Man is free by birth. इथे एक पॉइंट आहे ज्यावर आपल्याला ब्लॉग किंवा एक राइटअप लिहायचा आहे. सो द राइटअप हियर इज बाय बर्थ चाइल्ड he or she is free from all social bondages and all responsibility. But as the baby grows up, he finds that he has to follow the various norms and laws of the society. Law thus brings some limitations on the freedom of every individual. A man is found in chains is a fact which is difficult to challenge. The truth of his bondage is reflected at various levels. At various phases in life, birth, teenage, youth, maturity, old age, and finally death, we see the restrictions. In social chain, you may see the evils of the cruel acts against women or the weaker sections of the society, illiteracy, unemployment. These are all the social evils where the man is caught today. In politics, we have the exploitation of the masses. We talk about fundamental rights and human rights that remains as theoretical concepts. Therefore, man is free by birth but never lives in freedom. A5, fourth one. A. Expand the ideas suggested in the following lines. All road leads to Rome. We will be given a proverb where we have to express and describe it. All road leads to Rome. All roads lead to Rome is a proverb in literal meaning and also figurative. The ancient Roman Empire was built in a way that all the routes were directed towards the center, that's Rome. And figurative meaning is that there is more than one way to achieve the same thing. This is applicable to education, career, or relation. It means there are a variety of methods which yield the same result in the end. For example, there are many different routes to reach the same destination. So take any route of your choice because all roads lead to Rome. A5-4b. Expand the idea suggested in the following lines. A man without liberty is a body without a soul. To expand this idea, we can write, a person is made by body and soul, the souls which actually drives the whole body. Liberty means freedom. Freedom is required as air that we breathe. Even though if we have all the luxury but no liberty, it won't make a soul happy. Since ages, we have fought slaveries, discrimination, etc. Now, we are fighting political, financial and social liberty. There are challenges as we progress. One must work harder to achieve his goals. Also, we need to be free-spirited person. We need to have liberty in our own hands because without liberty our life will be as a body without a soul. A6-1. Take help from the sources available on the internet and make a list of proverbs and quotations about road. ह्यामध्ये इंटरनेट मधून proverbs किंवा quotations आपल्याला शोधून काढायचे आहेत ज्यामध्ये road हा शब्द आहे. So the answers are hard roads require will of steel. It is a rough road that leads to the heights of greatness. My life is the road, man. I need to keep moving. The road is hard and you will have to get accustomed to it. If you don't like the road you are walking, stay paving another one. And finally, A6th second is read the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Last part is the reading activity. So here we complete the poem 2.1 and please share, like and subscribe for getting the further series of crash course. Thank you.